Is your Range Rover Evoque key fob unresponsive? First, the most common culprit is a dead battery. The Evoque fob uses a CR232 battery, easily replaceable for $5 to $10. Open the fob carefully, grounding yourself to prevent static discharge, which can damage the circuit board. If a new battery doesn't solve it, the proximity antenna might be the issue. This antenna detects the fob for passive entry. Metal objects or aftermarket accessories can cause interference. Check for any error codes using an OBD2 scanner, which may indicate antenna malfunction. Ensuring the antenna is free from obstructions and the battery is new is crucial for reliable key fob function. If battery and antenna checks fail, try a hard reset. Simultaneously, hold the lock and unlock buttons for 10 seconds until the fob beeps. Then try starting your car. If this doesn't work, dealer reprogramming might be necessary, costing $50 to $100. Looking ahead, Evoque key technology is shifting towards digital integration. Many owners are now using smartphone keys. Future models will likely incorporate ultra-wideband UWB technology for improved location accuracy and reduced proximity issues. Keep in mind that software updates and preventative maintenance, like storing your fob away from metal and extreme temperatures, can significantly reduce key fob problems.